Okay, so to describe this photo, the three topics I will be talking about are vantage point, frame, and time. So let's start off with vantage point. The vantage point, I would say, is kind of a mid vantage point. The photographer or camera is not based on the bottom of the photo or the frame. It's not looking up, so that would say that it's not a low vantage point. Also, they are not at the highest point they could be, so I would say that is showing that they're not at a high vantage point. So that's why I said a mid vantage point. I would say it's close. It's not a far away picture. It's taken from maybe the end of the train, looking back towards the view and viewing everything that they have passed already. And let's go into frame. So frame, I would say that it's actively framed because the photographer only captured what he or she wanted the viewers to see. So with it being actively framed, you're not able to tell if there's more river, you're not able to tell where the river ends, where it starts. With that being said, also the mountains, you're not able to tell if the mountains continued, if they collapsed, if there's a high point of the mountains and they go lower, if there is collapsed rock on the right side. On the left side, you're not able to tell, like I said, where the pond or river ends, or the mountains, how far up they go down, how far up they go, or how far down they go. And the train tracks as well. You're not able to see where they continue. I kind of want to say it goes into a curve into the left, but you're not able to see that so well. So let's go into time. Time, I want to say it had to be taken with a fast shutter camera just because, like I said, with the vantage point, it was taken at the end of the train and looking back at what they've already passed. That's what I would say. Could be taken at the beginning of the train, maybe heading that way towards the mountains and the rocks, the rock wall on the right side. I took it as someone took the picture as from the back of the train. I want to say it's a combination of frozen time and still. Yeah, frozen time and still. Nothing was captured in motion. You don't see anything mid-motion. You don't see anything that would pursue a viewer to think that that train is in motion. But with that being said, this train could well off be in motion, like I said, going towards the kind of curb or leading away from it. It can look like a still scene, but it also can look like a moving scene. So yeah, that is what looks like in this picture. And those are the three topics I would like discussed: vantage point, frame, and time.